Good morning everyone. I am Jyoti here. Today I am discuss with you mathematics subject class 2nd chapter number 3 subtraction. Clear? So open the chapter number 3. I already discussed with you in my first video chapter number 3. I can discuss with you. Let us recall exercise 3.1 and 3.1. 3.1 and 3.2 I already discussed with you in my first video. So today I am discuss with you exercise 3.3. This is the second video for the same chapter, exercise 3.3, same sum subtraction. These are the same subtraction with borrow in ones and tens place. Clear students? These are the same sum. Okay, I can solve the first sum, exercise 3.3 part 1, sum number A. Here is the place value for thousand, hundred, tens and ones. 1000 place 2, 100 place 9, 10s place 6 and 1 place 3. Here is the sign of minus. 1000 place 1, 100 place 4, 10s place 8 and 1s place 5. So how to subtract this sum? Same like that. 3 out of 5 it is not possible. So borrow from 10s place. Here is 13. 13 out of 5. What is remain? What is the answer? 13 out of 5 is 8. Here is single 5. So 5 out of 8 is not possible. So again one borrow here. Here is 5 and what is remain here? 8. 15 out of 8 is 7 and 8 out of 4 is 4. Then 2 out of 1 is 1. What is the answer? 1, 4, 7, 8. Clear students? So these are the same sum, same like that, exercise 3.2. So solve sum number B, C, D and E with the help of your parents. So next is arrange vertically. This is the second part, arrange vertically and subtract. So I can solve the second part, sum number A. Same, we can arrange the digit of the given numerals in vertical columns, like place value for 1000, 100, tens and 1, same like this. Here is first sum 2, 7, 3, 5 minus 1, 2, 8, 6. How to subtract? This is the same sum like first part, like 3.2, but some of the few sums we can subtract with the borrow in ones place, tens place and 100 place also. So how to do this sum? This sum is 5 out of 6. It is not possible. So again one borrow from this side and here is 15. 15 out of 6 is 9. Here is 2. Borrow from 100 side and here is 12. 12 out of 8 is 4. Here is only 6. 6 out of 2 is 4 and 2 out of 1 is 1. Answer is 1, 4, 4, 9. Clear student? So these are the same sum you can do with the help of your parents and arrange the digits of the given numerals in a vertical columns. Clear student? So again I can solve same part, second sum number B. Sum number B. Same here, 1000 place, 100 place, tens and ones, 3, 8, 3, 4 minus 2, 6, 4, 7. Again we can solve the same way like 4. So borrow from tens place 1 here and here is 14. 14 out of 7 is 7. Here is 2. Borrow from 1. Here is 12. 12 out of 4 is 8. What is left here? Only 7. 7 out of 6 is 1. And 3 out of 2 is 1. So answer is 1187. I hope you will understand in a proper way. So students, you can solve sum number C, D, E and F same like this way. Arrange vertically in the numerals, the given numerals, and do the sum. So exercise 3.4, page number 66, and exercise 3.5, page number 68. These are the same sum, same, no changes. So with the help of your parents, you can solve all the exercise 3.3, 3.4 and 3.5 with the help of your parents. If you have any doubt, you can go through with the comment session, give your comment. I can discuss again the sums. Clear students? So these all sum you can do on your notebook. Thanks and have a nice day.